everybody and welcome to today's video with myself, Sarah Lean. This video is going to dive into the best practices for dealing with GitHub Actions Secrets. We're going to explore some of the best practices that you need to keep your secrets safe and secure. So let's dive in. To begin with, let's understand what GitHub Actions Secrets are. These are encrypted environment variables that you can use in your workflows to secure sensitive information securely, such as API keys, tokens, and passwords. Now you might be wondering, why are GitHub Actions Secrets so important? And the answer is simple: security. By using secrets, you can protect sensitive information from being exposed in your code base or during your workflows, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. Our first best practice is to limit access to secrets. Only provide access to individuals who absolutely need it for specific workflows. This minimises the potential for misuse or accidental exposure. Next up, regularly rotate your secrets. Just like changing your passwords, updating your secrets adds an extra layer of security. GitHub provides an easy way to rotate secrets without disrupting your workflows. Always use encrypted secrets. GitHub automatically encrypts secrets, ensuring that even if there is a security breach, your sensitive information remains protected. Never store plain text secrets directly in your workflow files. Another important practice is to avoid hard-coding secrets into your code. This includes source code, workflow files, or any other publicly accessible place. Instead, reference secrets dynamically within your workflows. Audit your workflows regularly. GitHub provides tools to review which workflows are using specific secrets. This allows you to keep track of where secrets are being used and helps you identify any potential vulnerabilities. Set up monitoring and alerting for your secrets. GitHub Actions allows you to create custom workflows that trigger alerts when certain conditions are met. This proactive approach helps you respond quickly to any suspicious activity. Last but not least, educate your team. Make sure everyone involved in your project understands the importance of proper secrets management. Conduct training sessions to keep everyone up to date on security best practice. As we wrap up, remember that GitHub Actions Secrets are a powerful tool to enhance the security of your workflows. By following these best practices, limiting access, regularly rotating secrets, using encrypted secrets, avoiding hard coding secrets, auditing your workflows, monitoring and educating your team, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a robust security posture within GitHub. Thanks for joining us today and happy coding.